In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use the Funded Trading Plus Risk Manager EA. This is a trade panel that helps you take trades at the right size each and every time, no matter which market you trade. This video will not show you how to load an EA. Previous videos have already covered this. What the Risk Manager does is that it enables me to ensure that I can take the same amount of risk on each trade that I take, no matter which market I take it on. And by risk, I mean how much money I'm prepared to lose on each trade. First thing I'm going to do is take the Risk Manager EA and drag it from the navigator up onto the chart. We need to make sure that algo trading is allowed. Click yes, and the algo trading is turned on up here. Now, when we see the Risk Manager panel, we can see we've got buy and sell on the left. We've got market or pending here. Market orders take you into the market instantly, and you won't be able to change this entry price here. And pending orders enable you to put orders in the market for future execution. We've got a stop loss and a take profit here, and how much we want to risk. The risk can be in percentage or cash amount. At this moment, my risk per trade that I'm allowing is $200. $200 there. So I'm putting that in on that position there. Now, if I wanted to go immediately into the market at market now with a stop below 30.30 on Ethereum here, that would mean I'd need a trade size of 2.42. If I hit buy now, that will execute that order, and we can see the entry price here, this line here, and the red line is the stop line down there. We can put a take profit on that, 3,400, and we can see that line comes up there as well. So I can now enter that as a buy straight away, and then it won't sell because the stop loss is in the wrong place, but I need to put this, if I change the numbers around, then I'd be able to buy and sell. Now, orders, let's take the entry price away from the market for the moment and put it as a, go to pending, then change this to 3250, keep the stop loss at the same point. Now my entry is here, my stop loss is down here, and I'm going to put the take profit up higher, my risk the same, and now it's calculated a trade size of 0.91 for this particular trade, going long at this point here to make profit up here with a risk down here. And as you can see, that is a risk reward ratio of about 2.2. I'm going to list now and then execute order, and we'll see it come up down below. So there's the order in place with the price, the stop loss, the take profit, and the current price, and the order is placed and in the market ready to execute. You can put more than one order in at a time. You could decide that you're going to put in half this amount and put in 2 trades, list each of those trades, and then execute them all at the same time, so that they then sit in ready for placement if the market moves up to there. I'm going to cancel this order right now just by clicking out of it, and I'm going to show you that now we can use the same EA on any market, and we don't have to do any sums for the different market to work out to do exactly the same thing. So now we've put it on euro dollar. We can go pending, and we can say put in an entirely different amount here, but keep this dollar amount. It's the same for my risk, which happens to be at the moment 200, and it will work out the trade size. I can switch to any other market that I want. So Aussie dollar, it work it out immediately. Bitcoin, NASDAQ, SPX, the US 30, all of the different markets, and I don't have to do any sums to make sure that I'm putting the right trade size in. It's a very simple trade execution trade panel so that you can manage your risk, and by managing your risk you are more likely to pass your funded trading tests. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and make sure that you find our Discord channel.